Well, ChatGPT just released a new image model called GPT-Image-1.5, and honestly, it looks great. But what if you don't like this new model? What if you still prefer the look or style from the previous model? For example, this picture on the right was created using the GPT-4o image generation or GPT-Image-1 model. So they look very different even though I was using the exact same prompt. So if you still prefer the way the previous model looked and you want to use that model, then let me show you how you can bring back that old model on ChatGPT. So let's navigate to ChatGPT normally. And after that, you can open the side menu, the sidebar basically. Click Explore GPTs. And the name of the GPT that we want to use is 4o Image Gen. Okay, you can just type the name of the GPT, which is again 4o Image Gen, and just wait for the GPT to appear. So this is just a simple keyword, but for some reason this search tool is just very slow. There you go, 4o Image Gen by ChatGPT, by the way. And after that, you'll see the description of the model. Click Start Chat, and there you go. Now you can start chatting or generating images using this model, the 4o image generation, or also known as GPT-Image-1. So you can just import your prompt normally, send a message, and it will start generating the image. Now, one thing here that you need to know is that this model is a lot slower than the new one. But if you still, again, prefer the quality or style from this model, then I think you can still using this GPT as an alternative. Now, I don't know how long OpenAI or ChatGPT will keep this GPT open, because there is a good chance that they might remove the model completely from their service, and eventually we cannot use this model anymore. But I'm hoping that that day is still years away, so we can at least enjoy this new model a little longer. So yeah, that's essentially how you can generate a picture using GPT-4o or GPT-Image-1 using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.